Ooh, cool.
What is it?
Pants.
What else?
A coat. I got a coat.
Who's that from?
From you, Pop.
Try on the coat. Let's see it. Hurry.
What? Ooh, what is this?
That's the receipt in case it's too small. Hurry, try on the coat so they can see. See if it fits.
Let's see.
Can you get it on that way without breaking it? Handsome. Let me see. What do you say? What do you tell Grammy and Papa?
Thank you.